Menteri Ketenat Urban Affairs Bak Ahmad Doling hakasining kong ulai thu ba ketenat laya syakhamat menteri kam mega project smart city hakanong ba habakran bagilar patai kubor menteri ulai thu bakin sedang sian yak smart road project 100 km na Viva Road nang ta kayo pulu pat kayo laim kra
the needs and the requirement by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. They need to conduct a survey entitled Ease of Living 2019 Perception Survey, starting from 1st to 29 February 2020. Objective of this survey is to get a feedback from the residents, people of the Shillong city and people of the state to give us information, provide us feedback, and also to share what are the program that the citizen of Shillong want that the Shillong society to be taken up. And for this, the people can participate, can feed their views by going to the website www.eol2019.org/citizens-feedback. So anyone who's going to the site, there'll be some queries they'll have to fill up and submit to this network, and the response received from the citizens will help the Ministry of Urban Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, to plan and provide service desired by the citizens. Number two, since I have already told you that even though we are being awarded as the last smart cities, we are the 100 smart cities, but we are very happy to inform you that we are going quite fast compared to some other states with regard to the project taken up by the smart cities. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate our full-time CEO.
Thank you.
So now the project which we have already started, we will be issue the work order for construction of the Light Mukra market. And number two, within this month, we will call again the tender for the Pulau market, and also we will call tender for the smart road project.
Hakawi pat kaliang usiyo ketika tenat luong baki pai ba ki bakwai ban ai jingmon ni pan jing sai kila ban le kumta da ka balai haka website ka balabu